Here I have Motorola Moto E20, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, just go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. Tap on it once and recording will start. Before it, you can select, you can set up recording audio, you can record microphone, you can record device audio, or you can record both. You can show touches on screen, and to start recording, tap start, and after a countdown, recording starts. So let's record some of our screen. After you stopped recording, after you ended your recording, you can you go to the upper bar and just tap on this notification here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the folder named movies, and here it is. Let's record some of our screen. After you stopped, and from here you can share your recording, you can edit it, or you can just delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.